Good morning children. Today I will explain you filtering of data. The page already uploaded in WhatsApp app on Saturday. So follow this data table, filtering data. I have made just now name, class, section, average marks. So what is filter? What I need that only to be shown by the command. That water filter we need pure water. Here is what I need, that will only come. That is called filter. Suppose I need to see only class 7 student, but I have written here class 7, 6, 6, 7, 5 also is here. But I need only how many student class 7 and what their name, what their marks. Okay, everything I can understand only for the class 7. So you need to click on the data. So click on the data by the mouse, then come to the filter and sort and filter option. So click on filter. So you just carefully watch the name, class, section, average already a little change. In just right hand corner, one pop-up menu or small menu is there. Okay, pop-up menu is there. So I need, just I said you that I need only class 7 to be filtered. So that only I will tick on the class 7. Okay. So you remove class 5, 6 whatsoever. Click on to the OK. Now you just follow the table. Only the class 7 student is here. So now easily I can check these 3 students are class 7. Section B is 1, section C is 2 and their average marks. So actually this is the filter, that particular one row I can filter. Suppose you want to filter section, you can. Suppose if you want to filter average marks, that how many students got the 90 marks. So you again go to the filter, click. Now only I need to choose the 90 marks and other we have to declick. Okay, and see that 2 students are there, got the average marks 90. One from class 5, another from class 7. So as the page is there already, I have given you that question will be also coming. What is called filter? How you can start the filter? And by the help of filter, you can find anything as the data table is given. So section also same. Now last I am showing you the section. Again I am saying you go to the data. Then again choose filter from the sort and filter menu. And then now section. So you can choose section A. How many students are there? Section A. So simply click section A or section B. So I need to check only section B. So section B will be 3 students are there in section B. So as I am showing you over here, you just nicely follow this table and how I have completed the data and filtering. Now you need to follow the steps to apply the auto filter onto the data. So you need to click on data and filter, then you can complete every column. What you require you can see. Okay, this is my practical online class, so you watch this nicely and I think it is very easy, you also can solve.